Hello, bankers. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So, guys, in this particular session, we are going to discuss around our JAIB paper 2, which is all about PPB, right? So, principles and practice of banking. So, when it comes to PPB, again, we have four modules, ठीक है? So, काफ़ी ज़्यादा लेंदी आपका करिकुलम है, ठीक है? The entire curriculum is around module A and module B because we have 20 and 21 subjects or your units from these two units. Take two modules. ठीक है? So general banking and lending operation of banks. So they cover 41 units. Overall, we have 55 units from in this particular one. Okay. So now the challenge with this particular subject is it is more or it is bit we can say it's a kind of a static things. ठीक है. तो बहुत सारा कंटेंट आपको यहाँ पे देखने के लिए मिलेगा और थोड़ा सा बोरिंग भी लगता है while we prepare for PPV subject. So you have to be very careful. ठीक है. So your strategy should be different from your AFM and IN IFS. ठीक है. So AFM and IN IFS they are concept driven apart from that module C of IN IFS, but otherwise they are concept driven and AFM is full of concept, right? But when it comes to PPB, थिंग्स सीम्स वेरी इजी. तो जब आप कहीं ना कहीं जो हमारी डेली वर्किंग्स आपकी होती है बैंक्स के अंदर ये कहीं ना कहीं उसी की तरह लगता है, बट व्हेन यू विल एक्चुअली फेस दैट एग्जामिनेशन थिंग्स आर टोटली डिफरेंट, राइट? सो वी हैव सो मेनी गाइडलाइंस, ठीक है, बहुत सारे रूल्स रेगुलेशंस आपका यहाँ पे आपको मिलेंगे, ठीक है, जो हम कहीं ना कहीं डेली बेसिस की जो वर्किंग्स है वो अप्लाई होते हैं बट not in a direct manner, right? So while you prepare for this particular module, I'll suggest the same sequence. Go with module A, B, C and D. C and D are totally different. One is around the computer things or IT, another one is ethics, okay? So you will see 7 to 8 questions from here as well as from here, okay? The remaining your 75 to 80% questions will be based on these two modules, right? So now there are two things. First, I'll highly recommend a concept summary for this particular subject. Okay? The concepts are must nowadays. Okay? So first, you have to have go through the concept things. I'll not recommend you go for the Macmillan book by line wise and others. No, that is not a right strategy because it will consume lots of time, right? And we do not have that much of time. We will be providing you the short notes so you can go through that particular one. Okay? The first one is आपका concept part. You have to go through at least once to all these units, ठीक है? And the most important part of this particular one or the preparation of PPB is practice. तो जितना ज्यादा आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, so you will be familiar with those particular statements and that is eventually going to help you. This time they ask some case studies also around the your PPB subject. Case study means आपका application based question. So like what will be your course of action when you face that kind of situation? So this type of questions you will face in your upcoming examination. Mostly question will be for statement based. For 1 marks and 2 marks there will be 3 to 5 statements and you have to find out the right one. तो थोड़ा सा challenging आपका हो जाता है. Let's say out of 5 statements there are 4 statements are easy or 3 statements are easy, but 2 statements which will create some sort of confusion. So you have to apply the elimination techniques, and if you have prepared well or practiced well, so that is definitely going to help you in this particular case. ठीक है दोस्तों, तो मतलब जो इसका ब्रह्मास्त्र है वो यही है, कॉन्सेप्ट समरी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ठीक है? कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड प्रैक्टिस का जो टाइमिंग है दैट शुड बी इक्वल, राइट? So practice first, go for the concept summary, then practice unit wise things. Unit wise practice is very important for PPB subject and you'll definitely see improvements in your overall score, right? So जो questions हैं या जो कंटेंट है वो स्टैटिक है, तो जितनी ज्यादा बार आप उसको प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना ज्यादा वो आपको हेल्प करने वाला है, राइट? So when it comes to the curriculum, as I said कि we have 55 units which are generally part of this particular one, right? So जहाँ पे जैसे this is the entire things which is around the module A, and almost every like your preparation should be or your strategy should be like see, just target module A first, then a module B. Once you have done with module A and B, that means you have 80% prepare for this one. So let's say if you have done with module A, practice unit wise questions as much as you can do, right? So that will eventually help you. Go through one step, concept video या जो आपका कॉन्सेप्ट समरीज है, यू हैव टू गो थ्रू वंस ओनली, एक बार जरूर देखना है, ठीक है? सो एंड आफ्टर गोइंग थ्रू दैट पर्टिकुलर वन, देन स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग थिंग्स, ठीक है? तो प्रैक्टिस से ही ये आपका बनेगा, बिकॉज every time you'll practice, you'll have some sort of learnings, you will be able to recall those particular guidelines and all, okay? And that is eventually going to help you. So we have banker customer relationship. Every time you'll see one or two questions for half marks or 1 marks, okay? AML KYC guidelines, for sure you guys are going to face 1 or 2 marks question, okay? Operational aspect of KYC interlinked, okay? Opening account of various type of customers, again you'll see questions, okay? Operational aspect of deposit accounts, and we have handling of clearing collection of cash, banker special relationship, foreign exchange remittances facilities for individual, operational aspect of NRI business, from where you'll get NRE, NRO, FCNR, SN, RR accounts related questions, foreign currency accounts of resident and others, RFC and others. So cash management services and its importance, payment and collection of check and other negotiable instruments, responsibility of paying bank, collecting bank, ancillary services, financial inclusion, customer service guidelines, duties and right of bankers and customers, section 135, grievances redressal and RBI integrated ombudsman scheme, for sure you'll get the question. Consumer Protection Act, again you'll see the question, you will see. In my experience, if you talk about the recent examination, they have asked question from each and every single unit. Maybe that question for half marks, or in some other areas it is 2 marks, ठीक है? अब यहाँ पे ना you have to like जो practical wise आपका जिसका importance जितना है, like this KYC things or this customer grievances or NRI business or forex or your this banker customer relationship, तो प्रैक्टिकल में जितना ज्यादा यूज है वो टॉपिक्स आपका दे आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड यू हैव टू पे स्पेशल अटेंशन टू दोस पर्टिकुलर वन, ठीक है? एंड यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस देम like very carefully, right? So this is all about your module A. Module B, when it comes to module B, it is all about functions of bank. Seems bit easy, but again you'll see number of units, आपका 20 units are there, ठीक है? So principle of lending, different type of borrowers and type of credit, appraisal and assessment of credit facilities. Most of the time you'll see question or 1 or 2 marks question based on this. Operational aspect of loan account, type of collaterals, different mode of charging securities. This get asked so many times. Documentation, again important law related to recovery आपका, so SARFAESI, DRT and others, ठीक है? Contract of indemnity guarantee, bill finance, personal finance, priority sector advances, again one question, agriculture finance, finance to MSMEs and co-lending agreements, MSMEs in India, government sponsor scheme and self-help groups, okay? So these are the units which are generally a part of this one. Again that the major problem is with this particular subject is it is very lengthy, ठीक है? आप जब एग्जामिनेशन में भी जाते हैं ना, यूजुअली अदर पेपर यू कैन सॉल्व विद इन मैक्स टू मैक्स 1 hour 30 minutes, ठीक है? इससे ज्यादा नहीं लगता है, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू पीपीबी ना, देयर आर सो मेनी स्टेटमेंट, बहुत सारे स्टेटमेंट्स आपको मिलेंगे और आपको लगेगा ये भी सही है, ये भी सही है, तो उस कैलकुलेशंस में ना एवरेज टाइम, जैसे अदर्स में क्या होता है लोग 1 घंटे के बाद छोड़ना शुरू कर देते हैं, बट यहाँ पे वो आपका 1 hour 30 minutes के बाद आपका निकलना स्टार्ट करता है। रीजन बीइंग क्योंकि इतने सारे आपके स्टेटमेंट्स हैं अदर्स हैं, सो you have to practice very well. Practice is the only mantra to pass PPB subject, ठीक है? क्योंकि अदर्स में आपका अगर आप उन कॉन्सेप्ट्स को अप्लाई करते हैं, you will easily able to handle those particular one. Next one, banking technology. So this is again so bank computerization, operational aspect of CBS, alternative delivery channels, data communication, EFT system, digital payment system, NPCI and services, impact of technology adoption, security consideration, operational aspect of cyber crimes, and tech trends in banking, ERP and others. If you are IT backgrounds, अगर आपने computer science या आपका IT से graduate किया and if you are working with bank, just completely avoid this module, ठीक है? आप like you'll see that like जैसे topologies या others इनके around questions देखेंगे, ठीक है, and you will be able to handle this one. But if you are new, let's say if you are science background or computer backgrounds, so I'll recommend again one study, and with the help of practice again you will be able to make this. Ethics आपका, we have limited topic but very important. Ethics in business, individual label, आपका employees, ethics आपका dimensions for employees, work ethics in workplaces, banking ethics, changing dynamics. So these are the part one. Again, 6 to 7 question will be around this particular one for 10 marks on an average, right? तो ये आपका 4 modules. So what you have to do first, you have to see the concept summary, ठीक है? Concepts में एक बार आपको स्टडी जरूर करना ऑल द 55 यूनिट्स, ठीक है? वंस यू डन विद दिस वन, ठीक है, नाउ हियर यू हैव टू ब्रीफ आउट, ठीक है? जैसे IN, IFS, AFM, while you study the concept, it will take more time, ठीक है, यूनिट वाइज आपका. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू PPV, आई विल नॉट रिकमेंड कि आप पूरा एकदम कॉन्सेप्ट में रहिए, ठीक है? सो जो इंपॉर्टेंट एरियाज हैं हर एक टॉपिक के अंदर, फाइंड आउट दोज एरियाज एंड वर्क ऑन दोज वन, ठीक है? द अनदर पार्ट इज आपका प्रैक्टिस, ठीक है? प्रैक्टिस विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वन, ठीक है? स्पेशली unit wise practice is must for this particular one, and attempt those unit wise mock again and again. That is definitely going to help you, ठीक है? Then go for the module revision, module wise revision, and the final mocks and others, they'll help you to clear this particular examinations, ठीक है? So the only brahmastra for this particular one is concept summary. First, this is your very first target, module wise. Then once you're done with modules, simultaneously start practicing things, ठीक है? So the another thing is आपका you have to start practicing things unit wise. Then simultaneously start watching the module wise the another modules for the concepts and others. Then go for the your module revision, ठीक है? Or module mock and others, and we'll do marathon session also, so that will also help you, right? So this is all about your PPB. This can be one of the most dangerous subject, believe me guys, ठीक है? मेरे को पर्सनली सबसे ज्यादा डर लगता है PPB से. रीजन बीइंग आपका देखो क्या होता है औरों में, इन अदर सब्जेक्ट लाइक IN, IFS, AFM, और इवन इन RBWM ऑल्सो, ठीक है? RBWM इज सिमिलर टू PPB, बट वी डू हैव लिमिटेड स्कोप इन दैट पर्टिकुलर केस, ठीक है? और जो चीजें बुक में है वही चीजें आपका पेपर में होंगी, भले ही वो आपका अप्लाइड वे में होंगे, सो दैट कैन बी मैनेज. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू PPB, इट इज वेरी लेंथी, एंड व्हाट आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस की बहुत सारे डिटेल में चीजें आपको वहां पे देखने के लिए मिलती हैं, एंड यू विल सी लॉट्स ऑफ स्टेटमेंट्स बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस इन ऑल. Each 1 marks and 2 marks question is full of applied version or the small case studies and statement based question, ठीक है? Only half marker question will be for the your straightforward, and if you are preparing for 2 marker question, these will automatically get covered, right? तो इस तरीके से आपको इसको प्रिपरेशन करना है, ठीक है? तो ये आपका रहेगा. Soon we'll start with the classes. I have done in past also unit wise. If you want to study with them, so that is also valid, and full of statement and case studies are there. Please do watch those particular one. All right, guys. So this is it from my side. I'll see you soon with the new session. In next video, we will be discussing around the RBWM also. Then we'll start preparing for November 2025. Till that time, I am regularly uploading the content on the YouTube itself. So if you'll practice through, or if you'll go through those particular session also now, they are definitely going to help you, or they'll build your basics around those things. Okay? So once we'll actually start with the November things, right now actually I am recording sessions for the paid users, okay? And we have done with IN, IFS 2 modules, and PPB 1 modules, AFM the 2 modules. Okay? So once that is done, I'll start with the YouTube things also. All right. So this is it from my side. Thank you for joining the session. Thank you for watching the session. Bye bye. Take care all, and wish you all the very best for your preparation, guys. Thank you.